In this video, I'm going to show you how to get single name on Facebook. If you try to remove last name, it says you must provide a last name. To overcome this, you have to use a VPN application. These two applications works perfectly. Now I'm going to show you another two VPN applications. To download, go to Google Play Store, then type and search Indonesia VPN. Then you can install Indonesia VPN plugin for OpenVPN. If this VPN doesn't work, you can use these alternative VPNs. I will put all the links in the description also. Let's go to my first VPN. You see, it has installed. Then you can open it. Then it says you need to install OpenVPN for Android. Just tap install. Then you have to install OpenVPN application too. Until it is installing, I will go to my home screen. You can see this VPN application works perfectly. The first two applications works together. These two applications works together. And I will put all the links of other VPNs in the description. Alright, after install these two applications, you can open your first application. Then in the pop-up window, check I trust this application. Then tap OK. Then you can see there is no process. To process, just tap green triangle. Then it asks connection request in the pop-up window. Just tap OK. In my case, when I tap once, it is connected. But your might be different. You have to tap multiple times. Then you will connected. After connected, you can check is it working. To check, open your browser. Then type and search my IP address. Then you can see you have an Indonesian IP. In another way, you can swipe down the status bar. Then you can see your download and upload speed. Now open your Facebook application. Then go to name changing section. But I want to mention one limitation. Facebook only allows to remove last name for the newly created accounts. If your account older than 1-2 years, unfortunately you can't have a single name. Now you can remove your last name. Then if you want to change your first name, you can change it too. To show you, I will change my first name. You can see there is no middle name and last name. Then tap Review Changes. Then you can see a preview of my new name. Here you have to enter your password. Finally just tap Save Changes. Then you can see I have one name. Now close the Facebook application. If you go to your profile again, you can clearly see there is only one name. That's it.